Here are just a few of the many reasons why you should plan on joining us for DynamicsCon Live in Denver, Colorado, May 13th through the 16th. At the top of the list is definitely our agenda. We have over 250 sessions to offer you over the course of 3 days. This agenda is comprised of speakers that are not only familiar faces, but new faces to the community. So we have over 100 first-time DynamicsCon Live speakers joining us. So it's always great to hear some new tips and tricks from those new members coming up in our community. We, of course, also have many of our veteran speakers back. Over 100 speakers that have been with us before are joining us again, and would absolutely love to connect with you in person and help you with whatever issues you're having with your product in your workplace. We have sessions that span across the D365 products, including BC, CE, FNSC. We, of course, have sessions for the Dynamics GP users and the Power Platform users. You'll also see a section that's called cross-product. This is growing in popularity with our community members, and these are sessions where you use multiple products throughout your day. So you might use Business Central and Power Apps. These are great sessions that teach you how to use those interchangeably and together. So check that out. If you have a chance, we'd love to have you, and you're going to get to see our biggest and best salute to sponsors yet. There are many sponsors that are joining us this year. We have over 75 that will have a table representation at the event, and they're happy to share their newest products and services with all of you. So if you are ready for a very, very packed educational experience, also great food, great networking, and really fun receptions, we hope to see you at DynamicsCon Live in May.